Welcome to 6th Standard English Supplementary Spices of India. In this lesson, we see how the spices came into existence and how they were used. Welcome to 6th Standard English Supplementary Spices of India. Do you all love spicy food? Yes, most of us love to eat spicy food, especially cooked by our mother. In India, spices are the sole ingredients of our food. When we think of spices, we think of tasty and healthy food, and especially spicy curry. People say curry comes from the Tamil word curry. In Tamil, curry means sauce. Sauce is nothing but gravy, a liquid substance. Do you all know what are spices? Spices are distinguished from herbs, which are the leaves, flowers, or stem of plants which are used for flavoring or as a garnish. Spices like cumin, mustard, pepper, cloves, cinnamon, and turmeric add flavor and nutrients to our food without fat or calories. Spices are seeds, flowers, leaves, bark, bulbs, and herbs. All these are combined in many different ways to produce a great variety of flavors like sweet, hot, and spicy. Here, the word hot means when you bite a chili or pepper, it is called hot. Apart from these delicious food, spices also bring to mind adventures of the colonization of the Americans and the Asians had its roots in the spice trade. In 1492, Columbus traveled towards west to find India and pepper, but by mistake he traveled to America and there he found chili. Thousands of years ago, the great masters of Ayurveda had listed the uses of spices for cooking and medicines. Most of our parents use these spices as different types of medicines like turmeric and pepper for cold and cough. Especially, turmeric is used to heal wounds. Cumin seeds are used for digestion, etc. Vasco da Gama, 6 years later, travelled around Africa to reach Kozhikode and the home of pepper. These voyages ended in great profitable trades that the Arabs and the Romans had developed over the centuries. These spices were traded to Mesopotamia, China, Samaria, Egypt and Arabia along with perfumes and textiles far back as 7,000 years ago, much before the Roman civilizations. These spices are readily available today, but there was a time when people risked their lives to get Indian spices. During the Middle Ages, a pound of ginger was worth the price of a sheep. A pound of maize was equal to the price of 3 sheep or half the price of a cow. From this you can understand how costly the spices were in those days. Cardamom, cloves, ginger, mace and nutmeg were some of the other spices that left Indian shores to flavor the world's kitchen. Black pepper. Black pepper was also known as black gold. It was the most prized spice traded from Kerala coast. Farmers began growing pepper around 5,000 years ago and exported it to North and West Asia. The trade soon spread to Greece, Rome, Europe and China and also became popular in Islamic Empire. The Romans sent 120 ships a year from Egypt to trade with India and bring back large quantities of pepper. Cinnamon. The Chinese have written in 2700 BC that Indians have been using cinnamon for a long period of time. It not only adds flavor to food but also preserves it. People from different parts of the world appreciated the fragrance and taste of cinnamon. They were willing to pay a good price for it. The Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians bought cinnamon from India. In the Middle Ages, the Venetians grew rich by paying tax on the cinnamon that was brought from India to Europe. So, in this way, the spices traveled all over the world. Hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you.